We are the PACE Pioneers, a collaborative team of specialists focusing on interpreting NASA's space satellite data for educational use. Our team consists of MD Alamin, a researcher and web developer with expertise in data integration, Khandakar Kafi Anand, a technical architect responsible for designing system infrastructure, and Habibullah Bahar, a mobile app developer with an extraordinary background in developing applications. We're here to make NASA's space mission super easy to explore. So, what is space? Well, it's the satellite exploring the health of our planet's oceans and atmosphere. Why does that matter? Oceans control the weather, help fight climate change, and even give us oxygen. Plus, the atmosphere keeps Earth safe from the sun's rays. Without these systems, life on Earth wouldn't exist. NASA's Plankton, Aerosol, Cloud Ocean Ecosystem PACE satellite collects critical data on marine ecosystems and atmospheric conditions, including aerosol optical depth, which measures particle concentration in the atmosphere. Phytoplankton pigment concentrations are essential for understanding the carbon cycle and ocean productivity. Ocean surface roughness, indicating wave activity and wind speed interactions. Fluorescence line height, which tracks phytoplankton health through chlorophyll fluorescence. How do you even understand all this data? It seems so complex, but we've figured out a way to make it super simple. Welcome to PACE Explorer, our interactive learning platform. Let's dive into how we make learning about PACE easy and fun. Interactive game learn how PACE works while having fun. Discover how PACE tracks phytoplankton, measures air quality, and monitors our oceans. Learning tools see how PACE collects data. We break down tough concepts like data processing, types of data provision, test diagnostics, and how the PACE satellite helps scientists understand the Earth. Explore the ocean, see the ocean through PACE eyes, from how it tracks phytoplankton to how aerosols impact climate. Chatbot got questions? Ask our AI-powered PACE assistant anything about the PACE mission and get answers in real time. Quiz time, test your knowledge with fun quizzes. Real-time sensor alerts get notified instantly when something big happens on PACE satellites instruments. Make your own PACE satellite. Want to build your own PACE at home? We'll show you how. Multi-language support, everything's available in English, Spanish, Hindi, Bangla, and more. Want to see the PACE satellite in real time? Check out its location and watch it orbit Earth in augmented reality. Plus, with our overpass predictor, you can find out when the satellite will pass over your area. Get ready for some awesome space tracking. The impact of PACE Explorer is truly game-changing. Our AI-driven insights, combined with the virtual PACE assistant and real-time notifications, make it possible for students to dive into the fascinating world of ocean-atmosphere interactions completely on their own. We're the PACE Pioneers, the best team to bring NASA's space data into your classroom.